In our computer, when we install new hard disk or SSD, firstly we install Windows, and then many time it happens that there is no options to make two three local disks, I mean partitions. And then we think that how we can make new partition in hard disk or SSD. After installing Windows, if you want to make new partition into the Windows or laptop or computer on your SSD or hard disk, then how you can do? First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe to the channel for get more videos like this. Now if you want to make new partition on your hard disk or SSD, let's get into the laptop or computer. What do you have to do? First of all, you have to install a software called Disk Genius, and you have to open that software. After opening that software, you will see your hard disk and SSDs. Now what SSD hard disk you want to make, in which you want to make SSD space or new partition, you have to, you can see that this local disk H is I think it's C. And now when we click on partition, you will see many options like this, and over there a new partition option into this software. You have to click on new partition, and you will see the space, how much space is empty over there. Now you want to make a single partition, you have to click on start. But if you want to make two partitions, what you have to do, you have to go to the partition section, and after that you have to slide this portion over here, that is blue portion over there, and how much you want to make partition you have to choose in create new partition option. I want to make 321 GB. Click on start, and it will start making new partition. It will give you a message that it will destroy your all the data, I mean in the disk space all the data will be destroyed. So keep in mind, there should not be any data. If there is any data, you may lose that data. So this partition has been created and the folder is just opened in front of you. This one is 321 partition. Now for that spare space, click on complete, and for that spare space, click on partition again and go to the new partition. Now you have to slide it to the full back side, and we want to make a 420 partition. Click on start, and it will do that rest for you. So that's the process how you can easily make new partition in your hard disk or SSD after installing the Windows. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning new things every day.